So let's look at the demo project that we are going to be building. So here, this is the home page of this application. This will have all the steps that you have to take to use this application. So if I go to the register page, I can just register a new user at .com. Okay. So user has been registered, and if I again log in, okay, so let me log in. Okay, we are on the dashboard now. So let's create a new link group called registered links, and if I click this, I'll be redirected to the edit page. Okay, this here you can just add these links also. So let's add a link here. So Google and let's add google.com, and again I'll add Yahoo and Yahoo.com, and more is bot. Okay, so bot.google.com. so let's add it. We have added 3 links, and when you click on this update, it will be updated in the backend. Okay, so let's go to this dashboard, and if you visit this, you can just see these links, okay, that you have just created, and if you click this, it will be redirect the user to the given link. Okay, so in case if you want to edit these links, you can just edit this. Go here and let's edit this. Suggest the links to suggested readings maybe. So save this, and when you make changes, this will be real time. It will be changed here in the preview. Okay, not on the server, it's just a preview of your link. Okay, so let's I'll just delete this and update it, and it will be updated here. And if I want to edit this about the new version, so let's save this, and if I update this, it will be updated. Okay, about new version here. And again, if I want to add a new link, we can just add it in here. Okay, let's update this, and it will be added in here. And here also, again, if you view this, it will be updated in here also. Okay, so if you want to delete this, you can just click on this delete, and it will be deleted from your dashboard. You can just create a new one like this. Okay, so this is the project that we are going to be building, and it also has authentication process also. So let's build it out.